The amount of matter present in a substance is called mass. Mass in Marathi it is called Vastuman. Dravya Sanchay. The amount of matter that is present in a substance is called mass. Whereas weight in Marathi it is called vazan. What is the definition of weight? The gravitational force that acts on this mass of an object or substance is called its weight. Now mass, it is a scalar quantity because it is same everywhere. Mass is same at every place, and weight is a vector quantity because weight is different at different places. If we go on higher altitudes, weight is different. It reduces on high altitudes. As we go high and high, the gravitational force reduces, and because of that, this weight also reduces. Then it is maximum at the polar regions, whereas it is minimum at the equatorial region, because in the equatorial region there is less gravitational force, and on the polar regions, on the poles, this gravitational force is maximum. That's why it is maximum at two poles, north and south. The units of mass, they are kilogram, gram, milligram, like this. In MKS system it is kilogram, and in CGS system it is gram. Then there are again different units like metric tons, then milligrams, micrograms, all this. Newton and dyne, these are the units of this weight. Newton is the MKS unit and dyne is the CGS unit. Now you will think, what is MKS and CGS? That we will also discuss in the next unit. Now we will explain this concept with Riya again. Come on Riya. Come here. Now tell me, take these two pens. I don't have the balance that is having two pens now at this moment. Just imagine that these are the two pens of a balance. Now see, here is big potato and here is a small potato. Now when you are holding these two in your hands, what do you feel? What is the difference in these two?
This is heavier.
And this one?
This is lighter.
See, as the mass, the amount of matter is more in this potato, it is heavier, whereas it is less heavy because the amount of matter is less here. Okay? Now, keep it here. We have studied that gravitational force that acts on this mass is called what?
Weight.
Weight. Now, this concept of gravitational force, from where did it come? Do you know? There was one scientist. What was the name of that scientist?
Newton.
Yes, Sir Isaac Newton. And he was like you. He was also student. And when he was sitting under an apple tree, at that time, suddenly an apple came down. And at that time, he thought, why does this apple comes down? Why doesn't it go upwards? It comes only downwards. Before that also, apple always came downwards. But no one thought like this. But he thought in the direction of this. And at that time, there was the invention of this gravitational force. Then he worked on it again, he researched on it. gravitational force came here.
A young man called Isaac Newton was sitting under an apple tree. After some time, one apple fell down on his head. He thought why the apple fell down and why it did not go upwards. This thing made him to discover that Earth has gravitational force. When an object is thrown upwards, it will definitely fall down. This is due to the gravitational force of the Earth.
See, now if I drop down this fruit, you can do it. What happened? It came downwards. Even if you throw it upwards, then also it will not go upwards. See, you can do it practically. See, she has thrown it upwards, then again it comes downwards. Why? Why does this happen?
This is because of gravitational force.
Yes, the gravitational force is acting on every object. That's why we are standing on the earth, because the gravitational force is attracting us, and every object is attracted towards the center of the earth, and that's why these objects they come downwards, and weight is different at different places. You must have seen the video of Kalpana Chawla when she was in the space at that time. In that satellite also, in that rocket, if she wants to sit on the place, she can't, because there the weight was different. There was less gravitational force, and that's why if she wants to eat a chocolate, it goes here and there. Why? Because of less gravitational force.
Children, watch the activities in space. Very interesting.
Understood?
Yes.
In this way, mass and weight, these are different quantities. If I drop down this paper strip and this potato downwards, what will happen? This paper strip, it will wave. It will not go straight. But if I drop down this potato, it will go straight. Why? Because the gravitational force on this light object was very less, whereas the gravitational force on this potato, it was more than that. That's why there was the difference while coming down.